Hey guys, this is HP Envy Inspire 7220e. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. What you need to do is you need to scan the QR code. You see this blue light that is flashing here is Wi-Fi network. This printer is currently in a wireless mode. Once it's connected to Wi-Fi network, the light here will be steady blue light. Connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. You need to scan the QR code, or you go to your phone, Apple Store or Play Store, download HP Smart App. So use QR code, for example, QR code, then you scan the QR code here, then open it up. It will ask you to install HP Smart App. Select install. Then this is the Google Play Store. This is Google Play. It's already downloaded on my phone, so open it up. This is HP Smart App. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to select plus. You will see a bell and plus. So select plus. You choose a printer to add. Printer already on a network. You select the first option. Choose a new printer. Select Wi-Fi network or Ethernet cable. So select Wi-Fi network. Then select continue. Select continue. You picked up the printer Envy Inspire 7220 series, then you select on it. So you picked up available network, so I'm going to put the password. You get the password from the back of your network routers. Once you put the password, you can select the I sign to check. Once you put the password, then the next you select continue. The HP software has found your printer, so the printer is found. The next is preparing. Tap the check mark on your printer, so you tap on the check mark. So now it's preparing the printer. Printer prepared. So now it's obtaining IP address. If you look on the printer, the Wi-Fi light is steady. It's no longer flashing. So it's connected to Wi-Fi net, but you need to wait for the process. Here we go. Printer connected to Wi-Fi network. Printer connected to Wi-Fi network, then you select continue. The HP software is setting up your printer. Alignment required for the best printing quality. So you start, you can skip alignment or start now. So you select start. Now it's connected to HP service. It's printing the alignment. Select accept all. HP Plus. Introducing HP Plus. Activate HP Plus for smart printing capability. I'm going to decline this. This is tutorial. Do not activate. Are you sure? Decline HP Plus. Select continue. Registering your printer. Welcome to your HP account. Loading your instant ink trial. Your new printer includes 3 months of instant ink delivery. You can select remind me in 2 weeks time. It's not compulsory. Setup complete. Let's print. Here we go. So print out the alignment, and the next is auto update or notify me. So you can select auto update, automatic update, or notify me. So you can select auto update or notify me. So select apply. Setup complete. Let's print. Then you can skip printing, but you select print document, print. Then you go and print any document you have. Then after that, it will ask you send link. You select not right now. And this is the printer. This is the ink level. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network and also print out alignment page. The printer menu, copy, scan, and shortcut.